Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. I wanted to start off by mentioning, if you haven't noticed already, that they switched things up for the 12 days of sales. They're not going to be doing the Icon wrench deal of the 40% off on Icon wrenches that was going to be slated for Sunday, December 14th. That's going to be welding supplies instead. So we'll have to stay tuned to see when they are going to be doing the Icon wrenches, maybe later on in the sale. Maybe they want to end it with a bang and offer the 40% off on the wrenches, but we don't know what day it's going to be on, so I will be sure to mention it when I do find out. So I'm just going to show you a quick update here, what they're going to be offering here on Sunday the 14th. The deal is going to be 35% off on all Chicago Electric, titanium, and Vulcan welding helmets. So you do have quite a selection to choose from to save that 35%. The other deal they're going to be offering is 40% off on all welding wires, electrodes, rods, and tips. So it'll be tomorrow only on the 14th, and when you're watching this. So it's Sunday the 14th. And just give you some ideas on different welding helmets. I'll just quickly show them here to keep it brief. Titanium, Vulcan. So if you're in need of one, it would be the time to pick up a new welding helmet. You can go with a USA one. That's normally priced at $150 there, so save the 35% on that. So even some cheap Chicago Electric welding ones would be included. All right, and then as far as welding supplies, the tips, rods, and wire, it's going to be included for the 40% off. All wires, electrodes, rods, and tips. So just to show you briefly here, the pricing on the different welding rods. Basically $10 for each different one. Then they have longer ones that are $12.99 and $11.99. And then welding tips. And then the welding wire. So you have many different options to choose from to be able to save the 40% on that. So if you're doing some welding, might be the time to pick up some of these supplies. Definitely a good deal. So again, that's going to be tomorrow, the 14th. Stay tuned for other deals that they release as the 12 days gets underway. And obviously they like to change things up, so I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on what happens. And depending on when you're watching this, today is Saturday the 13th. This is their deal that they're having today, and that's on the Icon locking flex head ratchet bit set. So they have many different bits in here. They have this on a special right now for $25. It was $40, so it's basically saving 37% off. So pretty good deal. This is their Meme 1.0 tool by Icon. There's a nice compact case. Comes with the mini ratchet here. That is a flex head. So it has a pass-through ratchet right here with this extension bar you can put in through there. It does have a stop on the one side, and it flexes as well. That's what it looks like as far as doing the pass-through portion of it. That way you can adjust how much it goes through in case you have a tight quarters to get into. Pretty nice. It even has an end there where you can put this extension there to make it extended to use different bits in. These are the different bits that it does include. So it has some hex bits as well as security bits, and it has a 1/4 inch socket adapter as well, and it has a few screw bits as well. So pretty nice little meme kit. If you don't have one already, definitely recommend picking one up, especially at $25. It's a great savings there. So definitely worth having in your toolkit. You just press the button to make the ratchet flex, then it locks in place, which is nice. And these are the bits that it includes, which is 32 of them, all the different Torx bits and hex bits. Pretty nice. Does come with a lifetime guarantee as well, so if anything goes bad, you just switch it out at the store for a new one. So pretty good deal. Be sure to pick one up. All right, as I mentioned, I'm going to keep this video brief. So if you like this content, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more of these deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.